Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I welcome you all to your English online class. Today we are going to continue the poem The Rain on the Roof. So now we are in the third stanza. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So now, in the memory of the poet comes his mother, as she used in years agone. Agone means went by. So now we can easily understand that if in his memory his mother is coming, that means that she has died or she has passed away, as she used in years agone, went by. As she used in years went by means she have died or she have passed away or long before. So now she is coming in the memory of the poet, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. So darling dreamers, here is the poet. Ere she left them till the dawn. So ere here it refers, it means before. So ere means before. She left them till the dawn. Dawn means the sunrise. So his mother, what she would do is, to show him extra love and extra care, she would let the poet to sleep till the dawn. Dawn means sunrise. She would let the poet to happily dream and to sleep till the sunrise. Oh, I feel her fond look on me, as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So, list is another poetic way of writing listening or listen. So, refrain means it is a poetic device. When the last line of every stanza is repeated, we call it as refrain. So, here in this poem, what is refrain? It is by the patter of the rain. Here, this line is repeated at the end of every stanza. So, this is the refrain. So, in this stanza, what he says is, as he sit and listen to the pattering sound of the rain, he gets into the thoughts of his mother, and he always recollects the fond look. Fond look means loving look. So, whenever it rains, he gets into the thoughts of his mother and he always recollects the loving look, the caring look of his mother. So, that is what he is saying in this stanza. Now, let us move on to find the rhyme scheme. So, first in order to find the rhyme scheme, we need to find the rhyming pairs of the poem. So, here the rhyming pairs are agone and dawn is the first rhyming pair, and refrain and rain is the second rhyming pair. So, now we found the rhyming pairs. Now, the next step is to give them a name. So, we will start with A. Here agone and dawn are the rhyming pairs, so we will give them the same name. We will give them B. And here for dreamers we will give C. So, now we will find the rhyme scheme of the next stanza. Here we will start with the letter D, and here refrain and rain are the rhyming pairs, so we will give them the same name. We will give E for the both, and for shingles we will give the letter F. So, the rhyme scheme of the entire stanza goes like this. Rhyme scheme. So, the rhyme scheme of the entire stanza goes A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. This is the rhyme scheme for the entire stanza. So, now I hope you have understood the rhyme scheme. Now, let us find the poetic device. So, here the alliteration is memory and mother. Here M sound is repeated. So it is an alliteration, and here darling dreamers, D sound is repeated, and feel her fond look, F sound is repeated. So this is the alliteration used in the stanza. And the next poetic device used here is the onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia means sound words. Here, by the patter of the rain. So here patter is a sound word, so it is the onomatopoeia. So that's all with the poetic device. So as we discussed, memory, mother, darling dreamers, feel fond. It is the alliteration, and the onomatopoeia is the patter, because patter is the sound created by the rainy droplets when falling down. So that's it. So we have come to an end of the poem. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you. Bye.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur.